Well, Pete, welcome to the Medtech Snapshot. So today we're talking about companies and their management team in particular. So I'm sure you've seen over the course of your career and your tenure where it seems like companies have all the right ideas, they have all the qualified people they would need, but for whatever reason, they just can't seem to push that product forward.
Yeah.
So what advice would you give device companies that maybe are experiencing this same issue and need to change around things within the management team, whether that's skill sets, attitude, or behavior?
Sure. Hey, thanks for having me, Travis. Great conversation. I love this topic. You and I have bounced around a few times now. Big challenge, a lot of layers, a lot of dimensions. For me, engineer at heart, I like to tackle this in different layers, right? First layer being vision, right? You need to sit down, and for me, what that looks like is literally a notepad, writing down what do we want to become, right? Where's this group going to go? Where's this team going to go? What are the next 1 year, 3 years, 5 years look like? What are those tackles, the challenges, hurdles, achievements look like, right? So you can just kind of see, what am I trying to achieve with this team? And then once you lay that out, the second step for me is you can start to put the people in place, right? And my challenge here is look beyond the job description, right? Don't just focus on, I need this degree, I need this skill set, I need this years of experience. What are those traits? What are those personalities? What are those culture fits that you need for that team, right? And start to lay them out and figure out where those roles will live, because that's what really drives you together, right? It's the differences in all of those cultures. How do we play together, work together, fight together to get to the end, right? So you need those differences, and you need those differences to be able to tackle the challenges you've put forward. And then for me, the last layer is always just reassessing and making sure that when you look around the room, there aren't 5 Pete's in that room, right? You don't need 5 of me, right? I have my weaknesses, you have your weaknesses. My team needs to balance those weaknesses for me, right? They need to be able to be different in their personality. You need maybe more of a cheerleader in the team, and you need maybe more of a hyper-focused person on the team, but you need all of that. You can't have all of the same team. So for me, it's just going through those different layers and constantly reassessing where are we? COVID, maybe a pending economic disaster, whatever they want to predict that's going to happen in the future. All of that is a chance to just constantly reassess where we're going to go, what are our new challenges, and put through those layers again.